Hello, my name is Lawrence Bordeaux, and I'm the Ministry Leader of Provisions Community Food and Storehouse. We operate at 461 Fulton Street in downtown Troy, New York, and we have been doing so for 14 years continually. We exist to bless our neighbors, the members of Troy who are in need, physically and spiritually. We seek to meet the physical needs by providing food. We seek to meet the spiritual needs by offering the saving grace of Jesus Christ. We have had people who have gotten saved who are regular churchgoers now at Victorious Life and other churches because of what they experienced at Provisions.
Provisions is a community food and storehouse. That's the ultimate vision for it. Right now we operate it as a food pantry. It takes a lot of people to make this food pantry work. People picking up the orders from the regional food bank, volunteers packing bags, volunteers to be here to be with the clients, and also to pray with them and share the gospel with them. And it's one of the great things that a change that we've seen here in Provisions is people's willingness to ask even for prayer and to hear the gospel, and that's really what we're here for. If it's anything else, we should close up shop.
Well, we go to the food bank over there in Latham. We go pick up the food. We get cereal, rice, peanut butter, jelly, soup. Probably take about 10-15 minutes to load up the truck, drive down here to Troy, and stock the shelves the best we can to accommodate the needs of the people.
What I do here is primarily order the food and take care of the grant paperwork. From the regional food bank, we get food that's either USDA sponsored or donated from merchants or bought at really low prices. We do get some food from local donations, from the congregation, or from like the post office food drive. And then the other part of my job is applying for the grants. We're supposed to be the hands and feet of God, and I feel by doing this we can make that real for people who are in need. There are a lot of hungry people. We hope to not only give them food, but give them compassion and understanding, and then hopefully through that they'll see God in us.
I come to Provisions and I do just about anything, from driving the van and picking up food to vacuuming floors. I pack bags, but I really enjoy coming and speaking with people and praying with them if they have requests and things of that nature. So it's a nice way to fellowship with other like-minded people on a Saturday morning.
I've seen out there what things that we take for granted, you know. I know because I'm in their place right now. I'm not working either, so I mean, I know how they feel. I can put myself in their place. I appreciate when somebody can help me. I know how they feel, you know. God's hand comes over them and helps them. Why not? You know, that's what this is all about, doing God's work.
Christ didn't come just to provide for all our needs, but He came in the flesh to live amongst us, to dwell amongst us, to share the life of God Himself with us. And I think we do a similar type of thing, sharing the life of Christ, when we actually are interacting with people here and learning some of the things that moves His heart.
Before I got saved, before I knew Jesus personally, I had a very hard heart toward people who needed help, who needed assistance of any kind. Shortly after that, I got saved. Jesus completely transformed my heart. I have compassion for people in need now that I never had in my own strength before. I have Jesus' love for His people. Because of that, we're able to operate Provisions in a loving way, in a good way, and to bless our neighbors consistently.